Let's integrate this problem using u substitution. Let u x squared minus 5 get the derivative of u du 2x dx. Divide both sides by 2. Cancel. Since we have the coefficient of x, cancel also. We get the integral of square root of u du over 2. Transfer natin sa 1 half sa labas. We get 1 half the integral of square root of u du. Transform lang natin si square root of u into 1 half the integral of u raised to 1 half du. We evaluate this using power rule. X n plus 1 over n plus 1. 1 half u 1 half plus 1 over 1 half plus 1 plus c. Simplify. 1 half u raised to 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 plus c. 1 half 2/3 u raised to 3 over 2 plus c. Multiply both sides, we get 2 over 6 u raised to 3 over 2 plus c. Divide, we get 1/3 u raised to 3 over 2 plus c. Substitute u. 1/3 x squared minus 5 raised to 3 over 2 plus c. Basic, diba?